Well, hello again for part 4 of the Zenith Wringer washer. This final installment will show the restored washer in operation. So I've just plugged it in. You can hear how quiet it is. And the tub is filled to the water line on the agitator. Of course, the drain hose hooked over the sink when it's ready to pump out. So let's turn it on and I'll show you the wash action. Switch the agitator lever on here. And we'll put a cup full of Sunlight soap powder in. I refill this reproduction oxidol box with just regular powder. That oxidol logo is from the anywhere from the sort of mid-30s to the late 40s, I believe. I just got the graphics and pasted it onto cardboard, made a box. Because when you find these on eBay, they actually are quite expensive. So this worked quite well, actually, if I don't say so myself. Anyway, let's start throwing in some articles here, and we'll see the fantastic rollover action of this machine. Load of whites first, of course, because using a wringer washer, you always started with your least soiled and worked up to your most soiled. So typically you started with kitchen and bath linens, and then other whites, towels, shirts, undershirts, underwear, etc. And then you moved to light colors, and then finally dark colors, heavily soiled items such as jeans and overalls if you worked on a farm or in heavy industry. So these machines could take somewhere between 6 and 8 pounds of dry laundry. I don't even have that. This is probably, oh, I don't know, maybe a 5-pound load. There's some dress shirts going in. So let's see, that was 2 dress shirts, about 4 undershirts, 3 or 4 shorts, and it's still turning over nicely. So the rule of thumb was to load it until the rollover action slowed down. So as long as clothes were rolling over towards the center of the tub, that was considered efficient washing. So looks like I could even load a little bit more here. So let's put in a towel. And a couple of washcloths, and that should do it. So I'll pause for a moment and then show the wringer in action. Be right back. Okay, so we're now having washed for about 7 minutes, 8 minutes or so. We'll turn off the agitator and just bear with me as I do this one-handed. So the tension screw here is actually missing the plastic handle that covers it over, so I've got to source one of those, but it still works fine. So the tension is on. And here we'll turn it in the forward position, and of course the wringers start to roll. And let's do something simple like a towel that I can do one-handed. So the key to wringing efficiently is to space or spread the article as evenly across the rolls as possible. and you get uniform squeezing action. So I'm going to pause it here for a minute. I'll go to the other side. Okay, so we're now on the back side of the machine with my laundry basket. Turn it back on. And there we go. So that'll be ready for rinsing now. It's fairly dry. I could put the tension on a little higher, but I'm going to rinse anyway, so that's fine. So there you have it. That's the full operation of this 1948 Zenith Wringer washer. It works beautifully now. You can hear how quiet it is as well. Thank you for your interest, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.